Introduction. Vasu has gone camping with his family. He's helping his father pitch tents in an open area near the river. While doing so, he realizes that the tent looks like a triangle. In this lesson, you will learn about plane and solid shapes, kinds of shapes. We see different shapes all around us. Pencils, erasers, tables, books, chairs, etc. They are called solid shapes. The shapes that we draw on paper, such as triangles, square, rectangle, circle, etc., are called plane shapes. Plane shapes are also known as 2D objects. Solid shapes are also known as 3D objects. All 3D objects have depth which 2D objects do not have. Matching objects. We can match solid shapes with plane shapes. We can match a chalk box with a square. We can match an eraser with a rectangle. We can match a tent with a triangle. We can match a ball with a circle, naming 3D objects. Let us now give names to the solid shapes. A chalk box is a cube. An eraser is a cuboid. Both cube and cuboid have corners and flat surfaces. A chalk is a cylinder. It has a round surface and two flat surfaces. A ball is a sphere. It has a round surface. A tent is a prism. It has corners and flat surfaces. Tracing 2D outlines from 3D objects. Let us learn to trace outlines of 3D on paper and see what we get. Place a chalk box on a sheet of paper. Draw lines along its outer edges. Remove the chalk box. You can see a square on the sheet. Place an eraser on a sheet of paper. Draw lines along its outer edges. Remove the eraser. You can see a rectangle on the sheet. Place a chalk vertically on a sheet of paper. Draw a line along its outer edge. Remove the chalk. You can see a circle on the sheet. Place a ball on a sheet of paper. Draw a line along its outer edge. Remove the ball. You can see a circle on the sheet. Place a miniature tent on a sheet of paper. Draw a line along its outer edge. Remove the tent. You can see a triangle on the sheet. Straight lines. Place some matchsticks on a sheet of paper. There are 3 ways of placing the matchsticks: horizontal, vertical, and slanting. Horizontal matchsticks make sleeping lines. Vertical matchsticks make standing lines. Slanting matchsticks make slanting lines, curved lines. Lines that are not straight are called curved lines. A cut watermelon is curved. Edge of a leaf is curved. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learned. Solid shapes are called 3D shapes. Plane shapes are called 2D shapes. 3D objects can be matched with 2D objects with the help of tracing. Cubes can be matched to squares, cuboids to rectangles, and circles to spheres.